In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Minecraft app on Android. We'll go step by step using the official, safe method so you can get into the game with confidence. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. At the top, tap the search bar and type Minecraft. In the results, look for the official listing that says Minecraft, Dream It, Build It, and make sure the developer is Mojang. Checking the name and icon helps you avoid knockoffs and ensures you're getting the real app that receives updates and security fixes. Tap the app to open its page. Because Minecraft is a paid game on Android, you'll see a price instead of an install button. Go ahead and press the price. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the one-time purchase through Google Play using your preferred payment method. Once your payment is confirmed, the button will change to Install. Tap Install, and the download will begin. If possible, stay on Wi-Fi for a faster and more reliable download, and make sure you have enough storage space so the installation can complete without interruption. After the installation finishes, tap Open to launch Minecraft. On the welcome screens, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Microsoft account or your Xbox account. Signing in is important because it unlocks online features, keeps your progress synced, and lets you play with friends across compatible devices. If you already use these accounts for other games, just sign in. If not, you can create one from within the app. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start playing. You can dive into survival mode if you want the classic challenge of gathering resources and staying alive. If you prefer building without limitations, explore creative mode to design worlds freely. You can also join servers to experience community-made adventures or play with friends online for collaborative builds and exciting minigames. A quick reminder, Minecraft on Android is not free. The official version requires a single purchase through Google Play, and that's the safest way to get the game. Avoid downloading APK files from third-party websites. Many of those so-called free downloads are fakes that can hide malware, scams, or broken versions that don't work properly. For your device's security and the best experience, stick to trusted sources like Google Play. That's it. Open the Play Store, find the official Mojang release, purchase, install, sign in, and start crafting your adventure. Enjoy your time in Minecraft and happy building!